It is day 7, Sunday, about 11 o'clock in the morning. We are at Hawaii Volcano National Park. It is super busy, but that's all right. We are going to go on the path less traveled and go from the back to the front, so we won't have as big of a crowd to follow. It is a beautiful sunny day. It's about 77 degrees with a nice breeze going. You can see my hair is kind of flopping in the wind a little bit here. We have the top down on the Jeep because it's just so glorious. We're excited to do some hiking, to see some steam vents and to see some of the lava flow that was in the past. There is currently no active lava in the park, unfortunately. We're kind of bummed about that, but it's still going to be a beautiful day and we're going to see some awesome sights and learn about volcanoes. It's going to be great.
Yeah, so we're on the road right now that takes us all the way downhill to the Pacific Ocean, where the lava a year ago was flowing into the ocean, creating fog, which is the steam that rises out of the water. So with no lava flowing, we're not going to see any of that, but we will see the hardened result, the hardened volcanic rock, as it falls into the Pacific Ocean. So it's about a half-hour drive, or 19 miles, to get down there. So like Kelly mentioned, we're going to start at the back of the park and make our way up to the front, because it is 11 o'clock right now, the peak hours. So it should be pretty good. Looking forward to it.
And it's kind of strange. We started to smell sulfur, which kind of makes sense from the volcano. And then not even a minute later, we started to smell like maple syrup for waffles. So now all we keep thinking about is, dang, like, I wish there's like a pancake house somewhere so we can just get some waffles. But it's kind of weird. The smells here and the weather here, we've noticed it's just really is different, but different in a good way. We're experiencing all these new things and loving every minute of it. So can't wait for today and all of the adventures ahead. What do you see down there?
A bunch of rock.
Lava rock?
Yeah.
Really porous?
Really porous.
Oh yeah, it's super light. Really lightweight.
I can see why someone would want to take something home. It'd be kind of cool to have at home.
I mean, there's so much of it, but we can't risk having bad luck. And
this is so light.
oh yeah, you expect this to be really heavy?
These haven't blossomed or bloomed yet. These look like they've bloomed already.
Yeah. You just can't get over the lava rock, can you?
Nope. It's cool.
It's very cool.
Can't take it with you though. Bad luck.
Hawaii Volcanoes National Park was commissioned on August 1st, 1916. Approximately 2 million people visit the park annually. The highest elevation in the park is 13,667 feet at Mauna Loa Summit.
In 2018, the Kilauea eruption changed the landscape of the Big Island forever. Over 700 homes were destroyed. Simultaneously, the summit area of the park was dramatically changed by tens of thousands of earthquakes, towering ash plumes, and a massive collapse of the Kilauea caldera.
Pu'uloa contains a vast area covered with incredible numbers of pecked images in the hardened lava, images known as petroglyphs. The archaeological site of Pu'uloa contains over 23,000 petroglyph images. Pu'uloa translates as Hill of Long Life in Hawaiian. It's a place considered sacred to the people of Hawaii. Steam vents are from groundwater seeping down to the hot volcanic rock and in turn creating steam as it rises. Trees in this area cannot survive since the roots are so deep. It's too hot for them. Only shallow-rooted plants and grasses can grow. As you can see, the trees are farther back. helicopter tour. So excited. We both are going to be in the very front seat. Hopefully the weather cooperates and we're able to see some cool things. If there's no visibility, we will have to reschedule, which would be very unfortunate because we're running out of days. But we're going to make it work and it's going to be good. Thanks for watching Quantifiable Adventures. Like and subscribe to see more.